What's going on, Farm Dogs? Back with another YouTube video, and we're back in the shop here. Dad's in here, and we've been hard at it, as you've seen in the last video, but I think how we're gonna start this video is we're gonna do the most hated thing to do in a derby shop, and that's kind of clean up, because everything's been a mess. We've just kind of been leaving projects just lay around, so I guess we're gonna clean up a little bit. All right, shop's a little clean. So now what we're gonna work on is we're gonna get our steering set up here. We'll get that in, and Dad's cutting some of the pieces there so we can just take them and weld them right back into where we cut it and get it to where I can sit there and hold on to the wheel. So let's get after that project. So there we go. We got the bracket mounted. Of course, we'll have to blow some holes in it and kind of just get it set up, but it's hot, so we're gonna let that cool before we throw that all the way on there. So now what we're gonna do is we got brake line here. We'll try to fish it down there. We'll torch a hole out in there, and then we'll get it hooked up and see if we have brakes, because you know the most important thing on a derby car is brakes, right? So we'll hook them up and see if they work. Got the shifter on, steering on. Want to try to move it?
Yeah, get that shit off the top.
We'll clear everything out of the way here and see if she's gonna move. So there we go, guys. You guys just seen, we're running, moving, and pretty much looking all right. We got blood, sweat, and tear into this car. What do you guys say about this?
Anger.
So everything's looking good. Probably the next thing we'll tackle, we'll probably get this front end all looking good. We'll run our all thread and put our spacers underneath and get the hood on and do all that kind of good stuff. And then we'll tackle the trunk like I promised in the last video. So everything's looking good. Get her. So there we go, all painted up. Got the color scheme going. All we're missing is the stickers on the side and the roof sign on the top. So we're looking pretty good. Other than that, thanks to all the other farm dogs that helped get the paint and everything done. So we're looking pretty good. There you go, Farm Dogs. We're all loaded up, ready to go. Car's strapped down. We got a couple more things to strap down. We got this trailer full of goodies, and we just filled that trailer up full of all the other goodies. So we should be good to go. Car's looking good. We got it all finished there. Of course, we'll get the stickers and everything on out there, but that's the only thing it's missing. But other than that, I think it's a pretty good car. Me and Dad always say this, every year you build a car, you want it to be better than last year, and I think we got that. This is probably the best car I've built personally, and Dad helped along the way, the whole way, and I think it's one of the best cars we built out of this shop, and that's always a good thing. So for the weekend, you guys pay attention to the TikTok and the Instagram. If you're not following them, go ahead and follow them. We'll be posting a lot on there. And then when I get back from Blizzard Bash, I'll probably get some more videos out. I plan on doing some videoing out there and kind of in the pits and stuff like that. So you guys will just have to pay attention to TikTok and Instagram, and then wait for us to get back to see the YouTube video. But other than that, I think we're good to go. So we're going to leave tomorrow around lunchtime and get out there good time and hang out and kind of relax there the first day. So we will see you in Blizzard Bash, guys. So keep liking, keep commenting, keep subscribing to the YouTube channel, and keep on keeping on, Farm Dogs. We'll see you in the next video.